on the bottom of the pool, bend your knees. So feet on the bottom of the pool, not too wide, but bend your knees if your chest is out of the water or your shoulders are out of the water. And I really love this combination. So I'm going to show you a couple of variations for it. So we're going to go 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, quick. This is hard. Okay, why is it hard? I'm trying to keep my arms as stiff as possible and stopping my body from moving forwards and back. There's a bit of force going on there, but in a good way. No, it's actually not hitting my shoulders. This is not hitting my shoulders. It just feels that there's a lot of muscles along those movement lines that have to be involved, and that's what makes it more challenging. So, fingers are together, wrists are super stiff, pull in, quick, quick, quick. Now I did it with just my right arm leading. Yep, so clearly there's going to be slightly different emphasis if I choose the opposite arm. So, in the song that I use in Whatever Cost Music Equals Athletic DVD available on my website, I use just right arm on one side and then I do left arm on the other side. But you could alternate. You could do one with the right arm lead, one with the left arm lead. It all works, it's fine. So the other variation is that you can bend the elbow, out, in, out. Now this is where I change what I do with my hands. And I'm back to this. Love these hands. Rather than hands close together, because I don't feel as much intensity when my fingers are close together. Fingers open. I can also create more force. Out, in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. So that's another option. And then the final option, check it out. Oh, there's so many good ideas. So arms go down. So down, down, quick, quick, quick. Down, down. Now you can have your fingers together or your fingers open. Whew. This is quite challenging exercise. Now that one, maybe with the participants who have got some issues with, say, supraspinatus or your deltoid, they might find that a little challenging because of the pulling up action. So you can get them to just go back to the bent elbow action, which is the one that they're going to be okay with. Just with the bent elbow one, backtracking a little bit, keep the elbows out. So they're here, not here. It's not this. Here. So let the elbows sit out as if your arms are straight and you're just bending at the elbow. So in, out, in, out. So this is a great upper body exercise, but it's not going to get your heart rate up. There's a strength component to this. There's an upper body workout component to this. So I usually like to mix it up with another movement pattern that has a similar starting and ending position, just to spike the heart rate up. Otherwise, people will get cold. So you just need to make sure that you're mixing it with more cardio work as well. And that's this week's aptitude. Anytime you've ever got to demonstrate just arms and no legs, it's easy for us. It gives us a bit of a break, as well as the participants, of course, but probably a little bit more for us because we don't have to jump and leap around on the side of the pool, pretending we're in water. But even then, you still need to show with your body the force that you want to create in the water. So with this arm line, you're going to pull in, out, in, out. Pull in, out, in, out. So keep your fingers together and keep your wrist really stiff. It's going to be really important for showing a really clean, strong arm line. When the hands come into the waist, pull in, out, in, out. And you'll see that doing this sort of like almost slight jerky movement. It's not painful, it doesn't hurt. But to demonstrate force rather than pull in, out, in, out, just looks a lot more gentler. And when you're in the water, you're really moving that water. Your body's going to move or feel like it's moving in that direction as you're pushing that water in and out. So it's good to also demonstrate that on land. You know, some people say to me, well, shouldn't you stay still because that's what you want them to do in the water? And I'm like, well, if I stand perfectly still and demonstrate this with the arms, it's really hard to show intensity. And that's what it feels like when you're in the water and you're moving that amount of water. So I wanted to get the idea of what it feels like as well, but I can feel it too. So remember to just make sure that you're moving your body in a way, demonstrate strength, not core stability. Feet not too wide apart, and this works out.